Vardar had the control during the entire match, but at the end West Brom took the 2 points. What do you think was decisive for this?
Yeah, we had the control first 30 minutes and then we lost everything in first 10 minutes in second half. We played really bad, did too many mistakes and West Brom was back in the match. So yeah, it was our own fault to lose this match in the end. So yeah, West Brom earned it because they played better in second half than first half. And in general, you have to say we played so bad in second half that we didn't earn it tonight.
2 matches are left in the group phase. What can we expect?
In the end, it didn't happen a lot today because Kielce lost, because Rhein-Neckar lost in Brest. So if we win both, everything is still possible. Of course, we don't have it in our own hands, but we have to see what will happen to the other matches. And we try to win both, and then we will see what happens.